Hello guys and welcome back. This is Osmosis, one of the networks I'm very excited about. This is very far from all-time high. The coin Osmo had reached $10 at one point in the past. Now it's 60 cents. You know, some people say that it's never gonna go back there. There were different reasons why it did that, but I believe that a good project, a good solid foundation with a good comeback is possible, especially in the bull run now. Especially that they created this amazing new website, really user-friendly, really accessible to beginners. We can do a lot of stuff here. I will show you in a second. You can trade here, you can do staking, everything inside. You can buy the coins right here from the inside of the app. Very easy to use. You just install Kepler. I'm just show you in a second, but I want to talk about Osmo, the whole ecosystem powered by Cosmos coin. They are really working hard to make it great, to make everything accessible. You can literally do everything all in one place. They will soon add Bera chain, other coins, like very upcoming interesting stuff. And you can literally, like I said, you can buy Bitcoin in even here, even though Bitcoin is on a different network, but obviously you can have Bitcoin if you want to swap it and have it there. All those networks that are very popular, Solana's, Sui, new kid on the block that is very popular, and all the ecosystem is nicely stitched together. I'm really excited because it's such a nice, good blockchain. Already couple years, already been through a lot, has different projects that you can try as well, but we're just gonna focus on swapping, on buying, on doing the basic stuff here in the main page that is so nicely professionally done. So all you need is Kepler wallet. I'll put the link down below. You install Kepler wallet, which is like has all these coins inside. You can stake them, you can just leave them be and grow your capital, especially now when we're in the bull run. So you get Kepler, install it in your browser, Chrome, Brave, stuff like that. Then you can even open it on the side, which is very nice. It just stays here. If you click that pin, you've got some money, you've got different coins in here, very nice and easy. And then you go back to Osmosis, connect your wallet, pick Kepler because it's like the main wallet from them. And as you can see here in the swap, you've got everything nicely. You can buy tokens directly here with your debit card from these providers, which are quite cheap, so you don't even have to go anywhere. You can buy some Osmo, have it in your wallet, and you're good to go. That's it. So all you have to do basically is get some coins. And then what I'm doing usually is I'm staking a lot of them, because Osmo is a coin that has limited supply, 10 billion I think. It doesn't grow like Solana, like Ethereum, so it's limited. It will only be a certain amount of Osmo and that's it. And then you also have this 13% APR yearly return, which is amazing. So you just stake the coin, claim the rewards later. You can stake it again or withdraw it. You've got your validators. I've got two of them here, Prism and Crowd Control. You simply choose the amount. Let's say I'll stake some more, 5, select some validator, look at the commission, because some take like 10%. Coinbase here, let me just pick one, click on stake, pick one, and that's it. You're good to go. That's it, you're staked. You can come back here, everything in one place, which is really nice. You've got perpetuals if you want to go crazy. This is real trading, so be careful obviously, but it's such a nice platform. You've got leverage not too high, so you don't blow your account. You've got different coins that you can trade here, but this is obviously more advanced stuff. And as I said, the main one here is obviously swapping. So you could do Bitcoin, you can do other coins. There is tons of very good projects on this network, like Kujira, that you can also buy directly. Obviously, let me just buy some Kujira because I was meant to buy a little bit. So that's how you do it. Very easy. Find a coin that you like, research a little bit, find out more about Osmosis as well, and just go for it. We are in a bull run. There shouldn't be any any big problems on the horizon, but obviously stay safe. I don't want you to lose money. Don't invest anything you are not comfortable losing, but I'm just saying every bull market we have this opportunity to grow the money. And I think I've got my list of Solanas, of Ethereum, Bitcoin and stuff, but Osmosis is definitely there on the list, and it's a very polished project. That's why I like it so much. So any questions, let me know, guys. Try it out. You can try the pools as well. As you can see, with nice APRs, there's tons of stuff, everything inside here. If you don't know what it is, ask me, or just dip your toe, put like $5 in each, put something in staking, put something in earning. Make sure you obviously understand the risks, but if you put a little money, then it's going to be definitely worth it to see how it works. And the pools as well, I'm gonna put something in a second. You've got Bitcoin pool as well. So this is crazy nice that you can make money much easier, much faster, and all in one place. Very easy for beginners. So thank you guys for watching.